Good morning, students. Welcome to General Knowledge class. Let us talk about awesome body facts. It's given on page 12 of your book. The earth has over 12 lakh species of animals, 3 lakh species of plants, and 1 lakh other species. Most species have certain specific features. Let's see some of them. First of all, let us talk about insects. Insects have compound eyes. This is the picture of compound eyes. They do not provide them with a clear picture of the world but enable them to detect movement very easily. This is why it is difficult to catch a fly without disturbing it. Some facts about insects. Insects are small creatures with 6 legs. Their body is divided into 3 parts. First one is head, second thorax, and the third one is abdomen. They usually have wings. Insects use their antennae or feelers to feel, smell, hear, and taste. Insects are invertebrate because they have no backbone. They come from eggs. They are oviparous. Next we talk about eyes of fly. Flies have compound eyes. They can see almost 360 degrees. They have 2 compound eyes that each have thousands of tiny lenses. Flies do not have eyelids, so they use their feet to keep their eyes clean. Next we talk about vision in animals. Vision is that sense that enables animals to see. Animals require vision to survive, to find food, to protect themselves from predators, and to seek shelter. Write down the meaning of predator. An animal that is naturally prey on others. Now write down the meaning of prey. Prey, an animal that is hunted or killed by another for food. Note down these 2 terms on your book. Next we talk about cat vision. Cats and some other hunting animals have eyes facing forward, enabling them to look at an object with both eyes at the same time. Cat vision is the sharpest 2 to 3 feet from the face. Their daytime vision is 6 times blurred than that of human eye, but nighttime vision is 6 to 8 times better than that of humans. Next we talk about elephant's trunk. This is the picture of elephant trunk. An elephant nose is joined with its upper limb forming the trunk. It is used to pour water into its mouth or over its body to take a shower. One of the main functions of the elephant's trunk is for feeding and drinking. A few fun facts about elephants. Elephants travel in family groups called herds. The herds are led by the oldest female in the family. There are 2 types of elephants, African elephants and Asian elephants. African elephants live in the rainforest of South Africa and the desert in Mali, while Asian elephants live in Nepal, India and Southeast Asia in rainforest. Next we talk about hawks. Hawks are group of medium-sized birds. This is the picture of a hawk. Hawks have excellent eyesight. They can see up to 8 times more clearly than the sharpest human eye. Most important, eyesight of hawks is mostly used for hunting. Next, open the page 12 of your book. Hawks are predators which are known for their sharp vision. They catch their prey. Prey means an animal that is hunted or killed by another for food by chasing it. Chasing takes both effort and the time to make a capture, so it is necessary for predators to concentrate on species that will provide enough nutrition to compensate for the energy loss while chasing. Most important, this is the reason why hawks prefer to eat birds and rodents rather than insects. Next, we talk about tongue. Tongue is a muscular organ located on the floor of the mouth. In frogs, tongue is elongated and adapted to capture insects. In reptiles, tongue functions as sensory organs. Cats and some mammals use their tongue as instruments for grooming and cleaning. In mammals, tongue is an accessory organ in chewing. Open page 12 of your book. Some animals use their tongues for hunting. The alligator snapping turtle from North America lays motionless and waits for a fish to swim into its mouth and then closes its jaws. This is the picture of alligator tongue. Next, we talk about chameleon. This is the picture of chameleon. Chameleons are a group of lizards that are specially adapted to live in trees. They have a powerful tail that can grip branches, and they can move and focus each of their eyes separately. Many chameleons can also quickly change the color of their skin. These lizards catch prey with their long sticky tongue, which fires out at great speed from the mouth. They are found mainly in Africa. Last, we talk about alligators. This is the picture of alligator. Alligators are large reptiles, members of the order Crocodila. Alligators and crocodiles are therefore closely related, and people often confuse one with the other. However, these two reptiles are very different. An alligator is distinguished by its wide, round snout and its black color. Also, all of its upper teeth can still be seen when its mouth is closed. On the other hand, crocodiles have narrow pointed snouts, a grey-green color, and only the fourth tooth on the lower jaw can be seen when the animal's mouth is closed. Let us discuss now some quiz questions which is given on page 13 of your book. First question. What are the three main kinds of joints? First is fibrous joint, second is cartilaginous joint, and the third one is synovial joints. Next question. What are floating ribs? The last two bones from the ribs which are not attached to the breastbone. Next, third question. A horse-shaped bone is situated between the chin and the thyroid cartilage in the anterior midline of the neck. What is it known as? It is known as hyoid bone. You can see in the picture. Next question. What are the small finger-like projections which line the small intestine called? The basic nutrients in the food are taken up by the body. Answer is villi. VILLI. You can see in the picture. Next question. In 1628, who proved that blood circulates through the body and the heart is responsible from this circulation? Name of the scientist is William Harvey. Last question of your quiz. What are the branch projections present in a neuron responsible for electrochemical stimulation between nerve cells called? Answer is dendrites. DENDRITES. You can see in the picture. Thank you students for watching this video.